ban sa so a ha won a omo operate drinking sport no sidi na nsen ya ate say sidi no anya na honde na ama omampeni atete nema so say hu wate lorry fair so ate nuana udo a ewo market no so na ensanko ande ye nte so e enunti ye de kokobo ema omampeni John Dramani Mahama and the Minister for Trade and Industry say ye man na watchmensa 3 weeks grace period sa obehwe na oni yasin kunya ahwe kwan a befa so a ye betete ensa no bo
video na mo heri sisi a no eye ensanum ku a omo ye omai Ghana mu a na omo ma government 3 good weeks
ye de kokobo ema omampeni say ye man na watchmensa 3 weeks grace period
se aban no emfanhwe na ensa ye tonton na omai mu ni wona companies omo tonton nsa no abanhwe na to the dollars ya ba form no ensa so bo nye the intimi ma form. Now when I spotted on this video I thought say be AI and I generated this kind of videos because they say no AI dwumadi a yedie no abusuan se wan nya botre na wan hwe dia you no get to understand what AI is really doing on the internet. So I spotted the video and I feel like there be what is happening? Are they AI na? Then I continue playing the video and I feel like there be it is true story. And so insanum kuoni wana wo ye nsa wana wo tonsa panipo oda o mano no se there be yate dollar so lorry fare aba form petrol boy for ayefo ede ebium na mo pese president wonyema Ghana for na mom ensan ko ade apeteshi yoge nisi yoge nyina ya bro pepepe
ensa dokodoko so eka ho sa be ya o metete so amaye
club here I don't go next level I don't go beaters fameko minimum no but then how did I get to know the names? Well, I did on the internet. Almost say insanity and so. So what is really happening? And they are saying that they are giving the government 3 weeks grace period.
Sir, your man now what you mean, sir? 3 weeks grace period.
I'm the warning. Say my government said there be government one share now 1 hour yen and say 14 free or just say the beverages companies and I said the alcoholic manufacturing companies now more yo or my imuno. Omo na empeso metete so anase dollar no ibia na enso omo so enti ibia how everything is being reduced na ensan kwa the price is stable. They don't understand because first na ibia ansagrai say as say you know because of the dollar inflation enti e kosoro na 133 cedi say $1 no in fact say $1 no aba form enti no sisi ya 130 na say ba be 1 cedi 50 pesos and 2 Ghana cedis but omo twen same price and answer ton for na de mo monti we die na na wosumu apia ensanum ku any en wona oton sa association and they let you come excellency say omo parecho ensan boarding omo hwe na omo tete so we news abusia trending on the social media space and am dey bro and they kan ya sport video am subscribe to your platform on YouTube no follow and be kama your friend Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country, and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. See you in the next episode of videos and I'm finally out.